Okay, YouTube, this is my unofficial overview of the Leatherman style PS modded to use what Leatherman is. Pretty simple tool. Excuse me. Pliers here. I've used the pliers. They work. Spring loaded, quite nice. And if you close it, we have a file / screwdriver, which you can also use as a package opener, because I've done that. And I've also used it as a screwdriver. Works quite well. And a pair of scissors I used in that mega unboxing. They work quite well. And it doesn't have that little piece there. It's all in the pin, so they still work quite well. So, and of course, there's the bottle opener, which I haven't used yet because enjoying one of those here is quite difficult. But yeah, handy. It's been a handy little tool. I do recommend if you want a little bit more capability, go on eBay and get one of these attachments. They screw onto the side. It's pretty secure. Shout out to Sid Stevie for sending me that. But the whole thing's been handy, even without the mod. It's been really handy. Posthumous, another thank you to Jason Brown for the tool. May he rest in peace. Yeah, guys. Oh, and also has a little pair of tweezers up on the side. I always forget that because they're very hard not to notice, but I haven't used those yet. Very handy little tool in a no knife environment. So, if you ever find yourself in a no knife environment, get one of these. Okay. unclecow approved. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. I have martial arts training tonight. I thought I'd try and pull off this video. Stay tuned, guys. Eventually there'll be an unboxing from Grumpy Grunt. Unfortunately, what he sent came to the apartment like the day I left, or the day after I left. So I'll get that from Mom eventually, along with the supplies I forgot. So stay tuned. Stay tuned to see what happens. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for the support. Let me know what else you want to see. Daily living stuff, questions about life, whatever. Just remember, I can't have a knife right now. But we'll see what happens in the future. Stay tuned, stay safe, and like I always say, don't do anything I wouldn't do.